Now here's our shrimp. So we have the head containing the brains, eyes, and organs, which are prized for making bisques and sauces. We have what's called the rostrum, which is the sharp horn at the front of the head. The claws and legs for walking on the bed of the ocean, and the long antennas which allow them to feel, smell, and taste. And finally, the swimmerettes, which are used for swimming and floating in the water. First things first, we'll grab and twist the head like so to remove. Now the color of the guts depends on the shrimp's diet. It can be either orange or green. We'll then take our shears and cut along the shell where the belly is located. Starting from the head, we can now easily peel back the shell like so until we reach the very bottom, which contains the tail. Now at the tail, we want to be really gentle as we slowly tug to remove the shell to ensure that the tail isn't separated from the body. And there we are, with the tail still intact. Next, we have a vein that runs down the belly, which is optional to remove. Using tweezers or a paring knife, you can simply place them underneath and gently peel away like so. And there's our shrimp deveined. Next, on the spine, we have the digestive tract that contains feces, which you definitely want to remove. Using a paring knife, make an incision along the spine down to the tail. We'll then use tweezers to peel away. Now if you want to conceal this incision, simply close it back up like so. And there's our clean shrimp ready to cook.